Question number 9. Last year, Eura spent 30% of his salary on rent, 2/5 of his salary on entertainment, and 1/4 of salary on living expenses. He saved the rest of his salary. Jura spent £3,600 on living expenses. Work out how much money he saved. So Jura had rent, entertainment, living expenses, and then savings. Okay, we're told that 30% is salary on rent, 2/5 on entertainment, 1/4 of it in living expenses, £3,600 on living expenses. We've got two key pieces of information here which we can set against one another. That 1/4 of his salary is equal to £3,600. So, a little diagram here. The whole thing denotes his salary, so 1/4, so one piece is 1 out of the 4. So his salary is equal to 4 times 3600, 3,600. Well, I know 2 times 3600, 2 times 36 is 7200. So 4 times 3600, if I double that, I'm going to double here, double 72 is 14400. So his salary is £14,400. Now, how much money did he save? So, on rent, 30%. On entertainment, 2/5. Now, 2/5. I'm going to write all these are the two fractions, as equivalent percentages. 2/5 is the same as 20 out of 50, which is the same as 40 out of 100, so 40%. On his living, we know he spent 1/4. 1/4 is equivalent to 25%. We got it from the diagram here. That is 1/4, which is 25%. 25%, half it's 50%. So we've got, we're going to look back at the top now. We've got rent, 30%, entertainment, 40%. We've got his living expenses, 25%. We need to work out what his savings are. All of those 4 need to add up to 100%. So 30 plus 40 plus 25 is equal to 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 plus 25 is 95%. So, which leaves us with his savings is 5%. Because the 5% plus the 95% makes the 100%. So, 100%, take away the 95%, is equal to 5% for his savings. So we now need to work out what is 5% of £14,400. So if 100% is equal to 14,400, 10% is equal to 144, and take a 0 off, divide by 10, move the decimal place 1 place back. So 10% is equal to 1440. So 5%, I'm going to half that. Half of 144 is 72. Put my 0 back on there. So he saves £720. So £720 I put on the line is what he saves.